G'day, Bob the Science Master here. This is a 20,000 litre concrete water tank. It's been here for about 40 years and for 25 of those years it's been leaking. I've lost count of the number of times I've fixed it. The time has come for me to fix it again. This time I'm taking a video. Here's where the tank's been leaking of late. I've filled the gap up with 4 layers of light welded fabric, and I'll put some ferro cement to fill the space. There's a couple of cracks running almost all the way down the tank. This crack goes right to the bottom. The crack had really opened up about 40 to 80 centimetres up from the base, and the tank wouldn't fill beyond that point. So it really was time for me to do something about it. This is what I've done. Where the leak rather was at its worst, I've gouged out the soft concrete, the soft decaying concrete, to get back to reasonably firm concrete. Then I've filled the space with light gauge welded fabric, and there's some fencing wire holding everything in. I'll show you how the fencing wire is attached on another section of crack. Here we are. I make up these little wire clips by drilling into the solid part of the concrete tank, not all the way through, about halfway through I guess, and then I wrap the wire around and hammer the little wire clips flat. Here you can see where I've gouged out the concrete around the crack to get down to where the concrete's reasonably strong. This provides a key for the mortar that I'm going to fill into the space, and it also provides extra thickness for the waterproofing effect of the mortar. There's up to 5 layers of welded fabric held in place by this fencing wire. Here I put the first 2 layers in, and this will actually be mortared into place before the next layer is wired on. You can see where I've wired the welded fabric to the fencing wire. It's a bit cooler today, so we're not being annoyed by that barge fly from the last clip. I'm going to attempt to show you exactly how I wire these this reinforcing onto the tank. Process is quite straightforward, but I don't usually do it with my left hand. So let's see how we go here. Give it some tension, swing it up and around and down. Well, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll try and make another video when I'm actually putting the mortar onto the tank. But to do that, I'm going to need to learn how to use a GoPro that I've owned for about 3 years. So perhaps I'll see you then. Goodbye. Thanks again for watching.